Court calls State of Texas versus Eduardo Lascano. This is cause number 2024 CC 73738. We're here today for a plea. We're conducting the hearing using the Zoom application. We're also using YouTube to live stream the proceedings so that it is open to the public. My name is Judge Jefferson Moore. I'm sitting by assignment in the Bexar County Jail Court, and specifically for County Court at Law number 6. And if I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Sandra Mitchell for the state.
Amir Memori for Mr. Lascano, Your Honor.
Sir, are you the same Edward Lascano charged by information with evading arrest or detention? Is that you, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to use a function of Zoom called share screen. I'm showing you a document. It's called the defendant's consent to plea by video conference, and I'm using my cursor to circle around an electronic signature. Is this your signature, sir?
Yes, sir.
By signing this document, you're telling me two things. One, you understand that normally pleas are taken live in an open court, but you're consenting to do this plea by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
Secondly, your electronic signature here, as well as all of the electronic signatures in the plea packet in front of me today, you're telling me that those are valid as if they were personally signed. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
I approve the consent. I make it a part of the record. Scrolling down to another document, it's 2 pages, and it's called the court's admonishments. Are you familiar with this document?
Yes, sir.
Did you go over this with your attorney?
I did, yes.
Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
On page 2, near the middle of the page, electronic signature that I'm using my cursor to circle around. Is this your signature, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to get out of share screen. By signing the court's admonishments, you're telling me that you understand the court's admonishments and that you understand the rights that are contained within it. Is that true?
True.
And that you're going to give up those rights. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
The right you're going to give up is you have the right to a trial by jury. You have a right to confront the witnesses against you. You also have the right to make silent, which includes the right not to incriminate yourself and not plead today. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes, sir.
By signing this, you're also telling me you understand the consequences of a plea and the sentencing range for the offense, which is anywhere up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes, sir.
I approve the waivers that are contained within the court's admonishments, and I make them a part of the record. And state, can you recite for me the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs 38 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Sir, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, I'm not bound by the plea bargain. I don't have to follow it. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
But if I do follow the plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
That's true unless I grant you permission to appeal or unless certain motions are filed and ruled upon. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, any such rulings in this case?
No, Your Honor.
I do not follow the plea bargain. I'll allow you to withdraw the plea and will proceed to trial as if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
If not, then a plea of guilty or no contest to the offense could have serious adverse effects on your immigration status. Counsel, do you believe that your client has a factual, rational understanding of the charge pending against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's been able to assist you in the defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's mentally competent to waive rights and enter a plea here today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, to the offense that's listed on your information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Do you understand that you can still be found guilty under a no contest plea?
Yes, sir.
Other than your plea bargain. Did anyone promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No.
Anyone force you or coerce you to plead today?
No.
After going over this case with your attorney, do you believe that pleading here today is in your best interest?
Yes, sir.
I find that the plea is freely, intelligently, voluntarily made, that you're mentally competent to enter into such a plea, and I find you guilty, sir. Counsel, is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No, Your Honor.
Being no legal reason in accordance with the agreement with the state, I sentence you to 38 days in the Bexar County Jail. There's a $0 fine and court costs. Time and the money will run concurrent. I didn't say credit for time served. You do have credit, and so this is judgment satisfied. Sir, this is a plea bargain case. I filed the plea bargain. So you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You do not have the right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record. We'll provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. For the attorneys, is there anything else from either side?
Nothing from the state.
Nothing from us, Your Honor.
The matter is concluded. Best wishes to you, sir. I'm
Thank you.
turning off YouTube Live.